Good morning. For Traders Exclusive, this is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. What I'd like to talk about this morning is the equity markets. And the big thing in the equity markets are that we are possibly in a new uptrend. And let's backtrack a little and let me explain why I'm telling you this. Basically, over the last few weeks, the markets, even though they've been near their highs, the down days came in on greater volume and the up days on lesser volume. Not really a great picture. However, last Thursday we got what's called a follow-through day, where the NASDAQ was up 1.4% on greater volume than the day before. Now, William O'Neill, founder of Investors Business Daily, popularized this concept, pretty much that every new uptrend begins with a follow-through day. Now, please be careful, not every follow-through day leads to definitely to a new uptrend. However, Friday's action was pretty supportive, meaning we didn't see any big volume sell-offs. And we'll see how the next few days play out. And that will again confirm whether this uptrend is for real or not. Now, a few other important things going on. So the NASDAQ once again above 5,000. We're looking to see if we can get above that 5120 level, which would make it a new near-term high. And on the downside, the 50-day moving average is at about 4970. So as long as the NASDAQ stays above these levels, pretty much the uptrend should continue. And even if it dipped below that 50-day moving average, as long as it doesn't take out its low, its recent low of about 48.88, we're pretty much, the market's in an uptrend. Same with the S&P 500. If it stays above 2100, the 50-day moving average is at 2090. If it stays above there, pretty much the market be in the uptrend. And of course, if it takes out the low, 2067, that's the recent May low, and again, then maybe the uptrend won't continue. So keep your eyes on those levels. And again, we look at what industry groups are performing well. Come back to the same names in the biotech space, semiconductor space, especially the stocks that are supplying the Apple iPhone, stocks like Skyworks, NXP Semiconductors, Avago, other semiconductors doing very well, stocks like Ambarella. And in the drug sectors, we have stocks like wholesale drug retailer McKesson, symbol MCK, also broke out with the market on Thursday. Actavis, generic and specialty drug maker, also doing very well. So also we're also seeing a lot of setups in some of these medical stocks as well. Stock like Illumina, symbol ILMN, is trying to get through that $200 level. Strong resistance there. It's been trying to get through there for quite a while, but again, the stock look it's had a lot of buying going on. It's getting some legs. So I'd take a look at some of those names. Now, you need to take a look at a few other things what's going on in the market underneath the hood. Because as the market's hitting new highs, everyone's concerned like, is the market too high? We haven't got the correction we're hoping for, etc. Well, we look at some contrarian indicators, and one of our favorites is the AAII, that's the American Association of Individual Investors, and their bullish stance is basically at a 2-year low. So market's at a new high, but they're at a 2-year low. So that's a contrarian indicator for us, meaning yes, the market can go higher. We can also look at another survey. It's the National Associations of Active Investment Managers. They're also at 60% right now, and that's much lower than they were in March and December. And the last time we saw a number of 60% was going back to October of 2014. So again, with the idea that the crowd is usually wrong, that's why we use these surveys as contrarian indicators. So when they're really leaning more bearish, they don't want to be long the stock market, that's indeed when the stock market can go higher, because as you know, the stock market's job is to make fools of us all, whether you're long or short. It's the great humiliator. So how do you fight this? Basically, let price and volume be your guide. So as always, this is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor. Good luck trading. Keep your eye on those levels and let price and volume be your guide. Good luck.